Welcome back to Next Gear Auto. What if I told you BMW just blurred the line between a supercar and an SUV again? This is the 2026 BMW X6 M Sports Pro, and today I'm going to show you why this machine is turning heads everywhere and why you'll want to watch this video all the way to the end. From its aggressive new design to its brutal performance and luxury-packed interior, we'll also talk pricing and whether this SUV is actually worth your money. Right from the first glance, the 2026 X6 M Sports Pro looks angrier, wider, and more confident than ever before. BMW clearly didn't hold back. The front end is dominated by the iconic kidney grille, now with illuminated accents that make it look especially menacing at night. Pair that with sharp laser LED headlights and massive air intakes, and this SUV instantly announces its presence. Moving along the side, the coupe-like roofline gives it that signature X6 silhouette, while the huge 22-inch M-forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires tell you this isn't built just for looks. Every line is sculpted for aerodynamics and aggression. Around the back, you're greeted by quad exhaust tips, a redesigned diffuser, and a sporty rear spoiler that completes the performance-focused look. Love it or hate it, one thing is certain. This SUV demands attention everywhere it goes, but looks alone don't make an M car. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X6 M Sports Pro packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing around 617 horsepower, enhanced by BMW's latest mild hybrid technology. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.7 seconds, which is absolutely wild for an SUV of this size. Power is sent through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, giving you incredible grip in all conditions. The adaptive M suspension keeps the car surprisingly flat in corners, making it feel far more athletic than you'd expect. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it hard on a twisty road, the X6 M feels planted, confident, and brutally fast. Step inside, and this is where performance meets pure luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that adapts to your driving mode. It feels sporty, modern, and undeniably premium. Dominating the dashboard is BMW's massive curved digital display, seamlessly combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sleek screen. You get the latest iDrive system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, gesture controls, and a crystal-clear head-up display. Add in the optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and the interior becomes an incredible place to spend time, whether you're commuting or carving up the road. The M Sport seats provide excellent support and comfort, hugging you perfectly without feeling too stiff. Despite its coupe design, there's still plenty of space for passengers, making this a performance SUV you can actually live with every day. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 BMW X6 M Sports Pro is expected to start at around $125,000, and once you add options, it can easily climb past $140,000. That puts it in direct competition with vehicles like the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Coupe and the Porsche Cayenne Turbo Coupe. So the big question is it worth it? If you're looking for an SUV that combines insane performance, bold design, and luxury without compromise, the X6 M Sports Pro makes a very strong case. It's loud, aggressive, and unapologetically BMW M. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Next Gear Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. And I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Is the 2026 BMW X6 M Sports Pro the ultimate performance SUV, or is BMW pushing the limits a little too far? Thanks for watching Next Gear Auto. I'll see you in the next one.